To begin, open Apple Maps on your phone. Tap on the profile icon or picture next to the search bar. Then select Offline Maps. Tap the Add button to proceed. Search for a city, area, or specific location you want to save. A box will appear for you to select your map area. You can now move the selection box to your desired area. Pinch to zoom, and tap and drag the highlighted box to select the area of the map, until it covers everything you want. You will see the size of the selected map. Tap the download button to start the download. The download time will vary based on the size of the map. A banner will announce when your map has finished downloading. You can download as many offline maps as needed. You can tap Update All later to ensure all your offline maps are fully up to date. Make sure you also toggle on automatic updates for this to happen automatically. You can also toggle on Optimize Storage, so that unused offline maps are automatically deleted after a certain period of time, helping to free up space on your device. You can also turn on Only Use Offline Maps to rely on your downloaded maps, even when you have an internet connection. To delete an offline map, tap on the map you want to remove. Then tap Delete Map. From the confirmation window, tap Delete Map. The map will then be deleted. So in this way, you can download maps to use offline on your iPhone.